Are you looking for someone who can create a stunning marketing strategy which leads traffic for your business? Or maybe someone who can handle your social media presence from strategy to content creation and posting? Maybe someone create engaging videos for your social media like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok and LinkedIn. Then your search ends here. My name is Subhasree Banerjee and I have 6+ years of experience in social media marketing, content creation and video editing. I am a top-rated freelancer on Upwork with so many 5-star reviews. Maybe you are the owner of an e-commerce store or an influencer or someone in corporate who needs help in social media marketing, graphics designing or video editing. My goal is to increase your brand awareness and grow your business. Lots of clients came to me for their social media marketing, but what they get in return is a brand that's so big which can last for a lifetime. Contact me today so we can have a quick introduction call and discuss about your project. Looking forward to working with you.